There are moments in history that humanity rarely recognizes while they happen. Moments when the old world quietly fades and a new one rises from the shadows. Moments when power, money, and technology collide to create revolutions few fully understand. And tonight we explore one such moment: the silent transformation of global finance, the reshaping of wealth, and the rise of digital currencies that threaten, redefine, and rebuild the world's monetary systems. At the center of this change stand two titans: Bitcoin, the original digital pioneer, the decentralized rebel, the code that sparked a revolution in how humans perceive and store value, and XRP, the sleek, lightning-fast, powerful engine designed to move trillions of dollars across borders in seconds. A system built for institutions yet capable of reshaping economies. Two technologies, two philosophies, two visions for the future, and only one path may dominate the arteries of global finance. In 2008, the world was in chaos. Banks collapsed, governments scrambled, billions lost trust in the system, and amidst this turmoil appeared a white paper from a mysterious figure known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, proposing a currency that required no bank, no middleman, no permission, decentralized and immutable, a vision of money returning to the hands of the people, borderless, permissionless, censorship-resistant, Bitcoin, digital gold, a rebellion codified in blockchain, revolutionary yet imperfect, limited by slow transactions, energy-intensive mining and congestion, yet unyielding and unstoppable in its promise. Bitcoin was more than money. It was a philosophical statement, a movement, a symbol of freedom in the digital age, challenging centuries of financial control, reimagining wealth and trust, empowering individuals worldwide, and igniting a global community of believers, developers, and investors who saw in code the potential to replace reliance on central authorities. While Bitcoin fought for freedom, XRP quietly evolved in the shadows, not to oppose banks but to enhance, to upgrade, to streamline, solving the bottlenecks of global finance, moving money in seconds, lowering costs, providing liquidity instantly, connecting banks, corporations, and nations in a web of financial speed and efficiency, infrastructure to Bitcoin's treasure, creating a parallel vision for a world where money moves as fast as information. XRP's ledger is energy efficient, scalable, and designed for real-world use, able to handle thousands of transactions per second, connecting multiple currencies, facilitating instant settlement, and powering innovations such as central bank digital currencies, cross-border liquidity pools, and enterprise-level financial infrastructure, showing the contrast between Bitcoin's store of value model and XRP's functional utility model. Technologically, Bitcoin relies on proof of work, thousands of miners securing an immutable ledger, processing 3 to 7 transactions per second, energy-intensive yet resistant to censorship and control, a vault for value, while XRP operates on a consensus protocol without mining, handling over 1,500 transactions per second, energy-efficient, validator nodes distributed globally, a highway for money, secure yet astonishingly fast, emphasizing speed and scale over full decentralization, embodying the trade-off between freedom and efficiency. Philosophically, Bitcoin embodies freedom, individual sovereignty, and decentralization, asking, what if people controlled their own money? While XRP emphasizes connectivity, practicality, and efficiency, asking what if money moved instantly across the world? Bitcoin resists censorship and centralized control. XRP optimizes global networks and adoption. Bitcoin is slow but secure. XRP is fast but coordinated, each reflecting a different approach to the future of finance. In real-world use cases, Bitcoin serves as a store of value, hedge against inflation, digital gold for the long term, while XRP powers cross-border payments, provides liquidity for banks, and forms the backbone of potential central bank digital currencies, each essential in complementary ways, one storing wealth, the other moving it seamlessly across the globe. Bitcoin has been adopted as a treasury asset by corporations, a hedge by governments, and a safe haven by investors worldwide. While XRP is being tested by banks, payment providers, and fintechs for real-time settlements, showing the dual nature of digital assets. One for preservation, one for movement. The mysteries surrounding both are profound. Bitcoin's creator disappeared, leaving questions about identity, intent, and ultimate purpose. A ghost watching from the shadows. While XRP's connections to banks, financial institutions, and global payment systems hint at hidden influence and potential centrality in the future of world finance, a technology visible yet shrouded in strategic uncertainty. The philosophical battle is stark. Bitcoin seeks to cut out middlemen entirely. XRP seeks to upgrade them. Decentralization versus efficiency, rebellion versus infrastructure. Two paths shaping the financial world in parallel. Sometimes in competition, often in complement. Looking ahead, imagine a world where global payments are instant. Assets are tokenized. Liquidity is real-time. Digital currencies issued by central banks coexist with decentralized stores of value. Corporate finance operates on blockchain rails, and economies are increasingly automated. With Bitcoin as digital gold, XRP as the backbone for cross-border liquidity, forming a dual-pillar system for the next financial era. The shadow war is ongoing. Power, influence, and control shift quietly, observed by governments, banks, and corporations. As digital money transforms infrastructure, settlements, and the very flow of wealth worldwide, a silent revolution in the making. Speculative futures include hybrid systems where Bitcoin stores value while XRP moves it, central bank digital currencies integrated into XRP's ledger, entire economies tokenized, financial inclusion reaching previously unreachable regions, cross-border trade becoming instantaneous, global markets operating at new speeds, and innovations yet to be imagined emerging atop these platforms, illustrating the unprecedented scope of this transformation. Bitcoin may become a long-term hedge against economic instability. XRP may serve as the backbone for interbank settlements, while emerging technologies such as DeFi, tokenized assets, smart contracts, and stablecoins layer atop these networks to reshape commerce, trade, and finance in ways previously impossible. Historical case studies reveal Bitcoin surviving multiple market crashes, demonstrating resilience and trust, while XRP pilots with major banks and payment processors show its ability to solve real-world liquidity challenges, proving that technology and adoption determine the real value of a digital asset beyond speculation. Bitcoin inspired thousands of altcoins, decentralized finance platforms, and a global community dedicated to open finance, while XRP has influenced institutional adoption, regulatory dialogue, and infrastructure development for secure, high-speed global finance. For investors, learners, and visionaries, understanding that Bitcoin and XRP serve distinct purposes, that real-world adoption and technological design outweigh hype, and that trade-offs between speed, decentralization, efficiency, and control define the landscape is crucial. Knowledge shaping perspective and guiding decisions in a rapidly evolving ecosystem. We stand at the precipice of a new era, where money is digital, borderless, instantaneous, intelligent, and more powerful than ever. Bitcoin having sparked the revolution, XRP potentially building the system, one a statement, the other a solution, together forming the pillars of a financial future in which humans, technology, and money are intertwined in ways previously unimaginable, a future unfolding now in real time, the revolution already underway, the next chapter forming in the shadows of the digital world. If this exploration was enlightening, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And check the description for more deep dives into blockchain, global innovation, and the future of digital money. Because this is only the beginning. The story continues, and the transformation of finance is unstoppable, shaping the economy, technology, and power structures of tomorrow. And you are witnessing it all as it happens.